Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we have this for you. The Katsu 10-piece guidebush set. This is an all brass guidebush set which fits the Katsu and Makita trim routers, both the corded and cordless versions, and fits all of the bases including the plunge base and the standard trimmer base. For those of you who haven't heard of Katsu, they're sort of an off-brand version of Makita. Their tools are almost replicas or spurious versions of Makita tools. They are at a much lower cost. However, some of their stuff is very good quality, such as this guidebush set. This guidebush set, as I mentioned, is a 10-piece set and features a 10mm, 12mm, 16mm, 18mm, 20, 24 and 30mm set of guide bushes. It also features this very solid brass adapter for the plunge base and two sets of locking rings for the guide bushes to be locked on to the plunge base. Like that. Or if you're not using the plunge base with the Makita or Katsu routers, then you can push this guide bush straight into the trim router in its standard base and use the locking nut to lock this onto the base. The base will be in the middle here, and that will lock it down onto the standard trimmer base for both the Katsu and Makita models. I'm not sure if this set will fit any other manufacturer's tools. You'd have to have a look at your own make and model of tool and see how that compares to the Makita or Katsu routers. So for this 10-piece set, it cost around about £20 on Amazon. This set also comes in Imperial as well as metric. For those of you who are not familiar with the purpose of a guide bush, it is essentially used with a jig or a template for repetitive cuts. If you'd like a further demonstration or information on that, please leave a comment down below and I will try and post a video demonstrating how this set works. Thank you for watching today's video. If it was of some help, please leave a like. And again, if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. And please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.